Welcome to our video on the best rice cookers for porridge. Today, we'll highlight top models that make creamy, perfect porridge every time. Check the description box for product links and more details. Plus, stay tuned for a unique feature that sets one cooker apart. Let's dive in. At number 5 is the Hamilton Beach Programmable Rice Cooker. When it comes to rice cookers, the Hamilton Beach Programmable model stands out as an affordable yet reliable option that delivers consistent results. This versatile appliance is a favorite among home cooks who value simplicity and effectiveness, particularly when it comes to preparing porridge and other rice-based dishes. Capacity. With an 8-cup capacity, the Hamilton Beach Programmable Rice Cooker is well-suited for small to medium-sized households. Its generous size allows you to easily prepare enough rice or porridge for family meals or small gatherings. Settings and functions. The Hamilton Beach Programmable Rice Cooker offers a straightforward set of settings, including options for white rice, brown rice, and steaming. While it may not have the extensive menu of some high-end models, this simplicity is part of its charm, making it easy to use and understand. Digital controls and countdown timer. The Hamilton Beach Programmable Rice Cooker features digital controls and a countdown timer, allowing you to set and forget your rice or porridge preparation. This added convenience ensures that your meals are ready when you need them. Why it's great. One of the standout features of the Hamilton Beach Programmable Rice Cooker is its ability to consistently deliver well-cooked porridge and rice. Despite its affordable price point, this model does not compromise on quality, earning praise from home cooks for its effectiveness and simplicity. At number 4 is the Zojirushi NPHCC10 Rice Cooker. The Zojirushi NPHCC10 stands out as a true culinary masterpiece. This compact yet powerful appliance is renowned for its precise cooking abilities, delivering consistently flawless results, particularly when it comes to porridge and rice. Capacity. With a 5.5-cup capacity, the Zojirushi NPHCC10 is well-suited for small to medium-sized households. Its generous size ensures that you can easily prepare enough rice or porridge for family meals or small gatherings. Settings and functions. The Zojirushi NPHCC10 is equipped with a range of pre-programmed settings, including options for white rice, jasmine, mixed, sushi, porridge, sweet, brown, and GABA brown rice. This versatility allows you to tackle a variety of rice-based dishes with ease. Induction heating technology. At the heart of the Zojirushi NPHCC10's exceptional performance is its induction heating technology. This advanced system ensures even and precise cooking, resulting in perfectly cooked rice and porridge every time. Why it's great. The Zojirushi NPHCC10 is renowned for its ability to consistently deliver well-cooked porridge and rice. This attention to detail makes the NPHCC10 a top choice for those who value quality and precision in their rice preparation. At number 3 at our list is the Instant Pot Duo Rice Cooker. The Instant Pot Duo Rice Cooker is a game-changer in the world of kitchen appliances. This multifunctional marvel simplifies home cooking with its impressive array of features and capabilities. Whether you're whipping up a hearty stew, fluffy rice, or a comforting bowl of porridge, the Instant Pot has you covered. Capacity. Available in 3-quart, 6-quart, and 8-quart sizes, the Instant Pot Duo Rice Cooker can accommodate a variety of household needs. From small kitchens to large families, there's an Instant Pot to suit your space and cooking demands. Settings and functions. The Instant Pot Duo Rice Cooker is equipped with a wide range of pre-programmed settings, including rice, soup/broth, meat/stew, bean/chili, multigrain, porridge, and steam. This versatility allows you to tackle a diverse array of recipes with ease, saving time and effort in the kitchen. Pressure cooking technology. At the heart of the Instant Pot's capabilities is its pressure cooking function. This innovative technology allows for faster cooking times and more flavorful results, making it a game changer for busy home cooks. Why it's great. The Instant Pot Duo rice cooker is praised for its convenience and versatility. Its ability to effortlessly prepare a variety of dishes, from fluffy rice to hearty stews, makes it a valuable addition to any kitchen. The porridge function, in particular, is a standout feature, allowing users to set it and forget it while the Instant Pot does the work. At number 2 is the Cuckoo CRP P1009 rice cooker. For those seeking a rice cooker that can elevate their culinary game, the Cuckoo CRP P1009 is a standout choice. This versatile appliance has become a staple in Korean households, known for its robust performance and ability to prepare a wide range of rice dishes with unparalleled precision. Capacity. With a 10-cup capacity, the Cuckoo CRP P1009 is well-suited for both small families and larger gatherings. Its generous size allows you to effortlessly whip up fluffy, perfectly cooked rice in a single batch. Settings and functions. The Cuckoo rice cooker offers an impressive array of pre-programmed settings, including options for white rice, glutinous turbo, mixed rice, brown rice, GABA rice, and porridge. This versatility ensures that you can tackle a diverse array of rice-based dishes with ease. Pressure cooking technology. At the core of the Cuckoo's capabilities is its pressure cooking function. This innovative technology allows for faster cooking times and more consistent results, making it a game changer for busy home cooks. Why it's great. The Cuckoo CRP P1009 rice cooker is renowned for its robust performance and versatility, particularly in Korean households. Its ability to effortlessly prepare a variety of rice dishes, including the coveted porridge, has made it a beloved kitchen companion. At number 1 is the Zojirushi NSTSC10 rice cooker. The Zojirushi NSTSC10 stands out as a true culinary powerhouse. This versatile appliance has earned the admiration of food experts and home cooks alike, thanks to its ability to deliver consistently perfect results, especially when it comes to the art of porridge and congee making. Capacity. The Zojirushi NSTSC10 is available in 2 capacities, 5.5 cups and 10 cups, allowing you to choose the size that best fits your household needs. Whether you're cooking for a small family or hosting a larger gathering, this rice cooker has you covered. Settings and functions. The Zojirushi NSTSC10 is equipped with a comprehensive array of pre-programmed settings, including options for white rice, umami, mixed, sushi/sweet, jasmine, porridge, congee, brown, GABA brown, and steel-cut oatmeal. This impressive versatility enables you to tackle a wide range of rice-based dishes with ease. MICM technology with fuzzy logic. At the heart of the Zojirushi's exceptional performance is its MICM technology with fuzzy logic. This advanced system precisely controls temperature and cooking time, ensuring that each batch of rice or porridge is cooked to perfection. Why it's great. The Zojirushi NSTSC10 is particularly renowned for its ability to make exceptional congee and porridge. The dedicated porridge setting on this model ensures the perfect consistency and texture, making it a favorite among food enthusiasts and home cooks who value the art of rice preparation. Our recommendation. The Zojirushi NSTSC10 rice cooker as our best value option and the Instant Pot Duo rice cooker as the budget-friendly alternative. For the perfect porridge, choosing the right rice cooker can make all the difference. Prioritize a model that offers versatile cooking settings and consistent results. Investing in the right appliance ensures a hassle-free and delicious breakfast every time.